Your brother's really fast.
Hi guys, how's everyone doing today? Olivia and I are getting ready to send some birds out today. These guys, hi Liv.
Hello.
These are from Little Red. These are two nest mates and they're from Little Red. That's what we call him because he is a tiny little bird. He's probably, if you pulled him back, you could probably put the whole body through a 3-inch ring. That's a very small bird, but he's a very great flying bird. So there's Little Red baby, and then here's another Little Red baby. Olivia's doing all the boxing. We got one more in there for him. So this bird, you want to tell him who's the daddy of that bird?
This bird?
Yeah.
Okay, so this was Mountaintop. In the last video, we filmed him, and his girlfriend, he is the same exact one as his girlfriend, but he has a little bit of spot as his dad.
Okay, good. So that's a Mountaintop baby. That's Olivia's bird.
Yes.
So Olivia is giving a bird, and we're giving these to, what's that guy's name? Do you remember his name?
Richie.
Rich on life. So, okay, let me box this one up, and then we'll go into the next box.
Oh, you're not even a
Okay, guys, so we boxed up Rich's birds there, and we're going to send these to another lady. Her name is Jana Holland. She's in Kentucky. Well, let me see him.
He doesn't want to be holding.
No, he doesn't want to go.
He's scared.
Okay, you want to hold the camera for me a minute?
Sure.
All right. So, I'm going to send this video out there, and I'm going to show Jana. I'm going to let you know, Jana, that these birds are absolutely filthy. I did have a lot of them in the weaning box this time around, so they need a bath, you know. Other than that, they're okay. But Jana, I'm putting a pink tag on this one. No, that's fine. This one is from a guy where I get my original breeding stock. So this is a big, hefty boy. He's just a baby, though. He needs a bath. And then I got 2 of those in here, Jana, so I'm going to send you those 2. I'm going to put the pink band on their foot. Also, I came across these. So there's going to be 4 of them in here that are not born here at my house. But this one here has got a yellow tag. There's going to be 2 of them with a yellow tag. These birds are gorgeous. They will get the racing eye. And they're mostly white. I think he might have a dusting on the tail there, but I think it's going to stay pretty light. But again, these 4 that I'm going to send you were not born at my house. This guy here also. Again, look at that. You got a little black beak. He's going to have the racing eye. Okay, so I'm going to put that. These 2 have the yellow tags. And then I am going to... Where'd he go in here? This guy back here, I think. And this one is the other one. This one here is also going to have the pink tag on his foot. So the 2 with pink tags, I know for a fact. Some of my adult birds that I have are from the stock of these. They're filthy. There's nothing I can do. They're absolutely filthy. But they should be really good birds. And they're all very young, so it'll work out. So these 4 were not born at my house. Pause. Pause. Alright, so here we are with box number 2. You want to grab those white ones there? Or the blue bar?
Sure. Let's get the black spotted one.
No, not the black spotted one yet. That's gonna go. We're gonna.
Okay, let's get the blue check.
So Jana, this is our blue check, our blue bar. He's got the blue bars on his wing. We use blue bars for our military service. So we fly the one blue bar followed by 3 white ones, which the one blue bar will represent the missing soldier. So there's our missing soldier. Okay, let's grab them white ones.
Okay.
Now these ones were all born here at our house.
Yes.
And they really do have Olivia's blessing on them, so these birds are going to do great. Put them in, Liv. They are squeakers. They are all eating on their own and drinking. I pull them out pretty young because I need more room. So okay, and then let's do the other white one. All right, those are beauties. Dirty beauties. They had one bath in their life, but they are young, so they didn't really like to get in there. Got a little doo-doo on your hand. So there's box number 2 going to Jana, sorry if I said it wrong. So we have 3 whites and 1 blue in here, and then in the other box for you is 4 white. So I hope they do good, and we're actually gonna ruin the surprise, but our buddy Rich out there, Rich on Life Loft, he likes to fly his birds, and I had this white one. He is so tiny, but where'd he go? But he's got a little black spot on his wing. Come on, buddy. So we're gonna send that to Rich.
I'll get him.
You get him.